Tat wana ro antat mut satel visa.
No way. Sorry bro. Man step menggawi. Manda jiu jaya tu kecnong. The jiu rin man sian gitu bro situ.
Mem kecnong apa dia enggak tena pa you. Igwana bar, igwana juga ini una liang ngawan tani ni. Iu bertaya kita berustai. Lem satu kada kastai kayu satu na me mudura ibi ya pacni I wan batas tak ni nabar cnong cnu not iga batas tak na
Lada bam at kiwi ngam bamo. Lada job lada rem I better lose but I will fight.
Because they didn't allow the public from those areas, especially some villagers, they came to us and they request to send the message to the MSPCB to tell them that they are not being allowed on the public hearing. So as a concerned citizen, as a concerned leader of the Regional Tribe, we feel that every citizen, especially from the affected area in that Narpuk, Baijer, so we feel that their justice should be done.
The land is my motherland and I will not let anybody rape my mother. Hawa ang bisa tel ko mo. Tatandai ka kabe, no? But I rather die, but I will not